Want to edit videos faster, like literally cutting clips by editing text? In this video, I'll show you how to use Descript, one of the most powerful AI video editors out there. By the end, you'll be able to turn a rough recording into a polished YouTube video, step by step. Descript is an all-in-one tool for creating and editing content, whether it's videos, podcasts, or social media clips. It combines everything you need in one simple interface. You can edit videos as easily as editing text, record your screen for tutorials or B-roll, and even add captions automatically in a single click. If you make podcasts, Descript lets you edit multi-track audio just like text, and use rooms to record crystal-clear podcasts or interviews remotely. It also offers advanced AI features, like transcription with industry-leading accuracy, AI speech for voice cloning or stock AI voices, and generate media, which helps you create custom visuals from prompts. Basically, Descript gives you everything you need to go from recording to a finished, polished video, all in one place. Now let's quickly see how to start using Descript from the website. Head over to Descript.com. You can sign up for free using your Google account or email. Once you're in, you'll land on the Descript dashboard, where you can create a new project, upload files, or even start a screen recording right from your browser. No heavy software installation. Everything works online and syncs automatically with your account. To start editing, click on New Project. Give it a name and drag in your video or audio file. Descript will automatically transcribe your content. This might take a few seconds. Now that our clip is imported, let's explore how video editing works inside Descript. As soon as you upload your video, Descript automatically generates a transcript, and that's where all the editing magic happens. Here, you can edit your video just by editing the text. For example, if you delete a word or sentence from the transcript, that part of the video is removed automatically. You'll also find a variety of AI-powered tools on the right panel. These include remove filler words like and studio sound for cleaning up your voice, and overdub for AI voice generation or corrections. Below the preview window, you have the timeline where you can split, trim, or rearrange clips, just like any traditional editor, but with Descript's smart features. There's also a captions option on the right side if you want to generate subtitles automatically for your video, and a stock section to add extra visuals or music. So overall, Descript gives you a complete editing workspace, all in your browser and all text-driven, making the process faster and much more intuitive. Once done, click Export, choose Video Format, Resolution, and hit Export. Descript gives you a few pricing options to choose from, and the best part is you can start completely free. The free plan includes 1 media hour per month, 100 AI credits, 720p exports with a watermark, and access to basic AI tools. Perfect for beginners who just want to try it out. The hobbyist plan, at $16 per month, gives you up to 10 media hours, 1080p exports without watermarks, and more AI features like filler word removal and studio sound. For creators making regular videos, the creator plan at $24 per month is the most popular. You get 30 media hours, 4K exports, a royalty-free stock library, and full access to Descript's AI tools. And finally, for teams and professionals, the business plan offers advanced tools like avatar generation, translation and dubbing in 24+ languages, and team-wide access with priority support. And that's it. You've just edited your video using Descript, from raw footage to a professional final cut in minutes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below what topic you want next.